So in this video, we will be seeing the installation of MongoDB version 6.0.5 on Ubuntu machine. So to do so basically the first we need to import the public key. So MongoDB requires a public key, GPG key for authentications. Import it with the first command, very first command. You just copy paste the command and paste in your terminal. Now the second step is to add the MongoDB repository to your system, and then step 3, just update the database package with a sudo apt update. And then next step, install the MongoDB. We hard coded the version 6.0.5, and then after successfully done, just start the MongoDB and enable the MongoDB on, so that it will be start the MongoDB on the boot when we start the operating system. So after that, verify the installation with the sudo systemctl status mongodb. Now for the security perspective, you just have to change the MongoDB default port from 27017 to 28027. In my case, just let me open my session. It got closed due to the network disturbance. So the MongoDB configuration file will be present in the /etc folder. So just open that file /etc mongodb.conf. So as you can see here, the default port will be 27017. You just have to give your customized port. In my case, 28027, and the binding IP, instead of local IP, just give 0.0.0.0, and enable the security and authorization should be enabled. Then you just have to restart the MongoDB. So restart the MongoDB and check the status of the MongoDB once it's up. So now the steps to create the root user for your database. So db.createUser and username, password, and the role is root, and give database name is admin. So